Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python tuple collection functions, length, min, max, and tuple conversion functions. So first of all, what is tuple in Python programming? So tuple, it is a ordered collection of data or elements which are stored sequentially in the program. Tuple provides indexes to the collection of elements, and tuple elements are immutable. Updating, deleting, modifications are not possible. And tuple is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. So tuple values are given in square brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, right. So it is not square brackets here, it is circle brackets. For example, tuple 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in circle brackets. So simply tuple is a read-only version of list. List elements are mutable, whereas tuple elements are immutable. So tuple provides indexes to its collection of elements, positive, negative. So positive, first to last in forward direction, includes 0. So for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are indexes for 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So 0 to n minus 1. Similarly, negative indexes are in backward direction, last to first, minus 1 to minus 5, which is 55, 44, 33, 22, and 11. So 11 is minus 5, 55 is minus 1. Now coming to the tuple functions, length, L-E-N, it gives length or number of elements in a tuple or size of a tuple. Min, it gives minimum value of a tuple. Max, it provides maximum value of a tuple. And tuple function, it converts other sequence of values like list, string, range to tuple collection. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python tuple example 8. So take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So Python tuple function, length, minimum, max, tuple. So first let us start with length function. So I'm taking two tuples, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Next second tuple, 99, 88, 77, 66. Print length of tuple 1, length of tuple 2, 5, 4. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and then run Python tuple example 8. So first tuple length is 5, second tuple length is 4. Next, I'm going to take max min. So max of tuple 1, 55, min of tuple 2, 66. So save it and run. Max 55 in tuple 1, min 66 in tuple 2. Next, I'm taking tuple 1, 11, 22.5, 33.8, 5, 55.1. Okay, and then I'm taking tuple 2, hi, hello, welcome, bye. So first I want to get max of tuple 1, which is 55.1, min of tuple 2, which is bye. So it will take ASCII codes of the characters in the string, makes comparison. So capital B, bye. ASCII code is less than capital H, hi, capital H, hello, and small w, which is around 119 or 120 when compared to capital B, which is 66. Welcome. So save this, come to the prompt, run. So 55.1 max min is capital B by. Similarly, I want to compare minimum maximum between true false. So tuple 1 true false, max of tuple 1 true, min of tuple 1 false. So save this and run it. True max, false is min in Boolean values. Next, let us try to make comparison between integer, max min, float, string, and true. So if you try to get minimum and maximum values here, we'll get an error because comparison is not possible between string and integers and floats. Internally, it will perform comparisons to get the minimum and maximum value. So let us put comment for this. Next, let us try to get a tuple from tuple function. So I'm taking a tuple function. So to this tuple function, the input parameter I'm passing is list in square brackets 10, 20, 30. So that list will be converted into tuple, store that in tuple 3, print tuple 3, type of tuple 3. So save this and run. So tuple 3 in circle brackets 10, 20, 30, it is of type class tuple. Next, similarly, second case, tuple 3, tuple of hello, H, E, L, L, O. Individual characters will be converted into tuple collection of string. So character is also a string in Python. Next, third case, tuple 3. So tuple of input, enter any string. So that string individual characters will be converted into tuple. So for example, I'll take welcome. So W, E, L, C, O, M, E, individual characters, collection of strings as a tuple. It is of type class tuple. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to work with tuple functions in Python programming. Length, min, max, tuple. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.